Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone 14 pink screen issue on iPhone. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and like this video and press the bell icon. So guys, let's get started. So guys, first of all, restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So then drag this slider to the right to restart your iPhone. So open the lock screen now. So guys, restart your device. If fresh boot might clean these display glitches, we recommend you to perform the force restart quick. So for the force restart, what you need to do, briefly click and release volume up, volume down, and press and hold the side button, power button, until the screen turns black and Apple logo appear. So release the patient until the iPhone boots. Is the screen still pink? So the next solution is change your wallpaper. So guys, it will be a wallpaper issue. So change your wallpaper. For this, open settings, tap on wallpaper, tap on add new wallpaper, and choose new wallpaper and select add and set wallpaper pair. So after this, the next solution is update your iPhone. So for the update, open settings, tap on general, tap on software update. So guys, check for update. So if the new update is available on your iPhone, so update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So go back. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix your iPhone issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.